Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are good. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Honestly, you will love that. And also click the notification bell so that whenever we post any new video, you will not miss it out. You will be notified. So in this channel, we show you and we share educative, interesting and creative way of preparing your meal, baking your snacks in your own home. Honestly, you will love this channel. This channel is one of the best channels you can ever think of. Stick to this channel, subscribe, click the notification bell so that channel will show you how you can prepare your meal in a healthy way, in a delicious way. Honestly, for you to get all the food nutrients that your body deserves. Honestly, you will not, don't miss out in this channel. We also show you how you can eat healthy and also shed some fats. You will love this channel. This is one of the best things you will do for yourself in this new year. Stick to this channel, subscribe to our channel, and you will not regret subscribing to this channel. So today I want to show you how I go about preparing my okro soup. This is one of our best soup here in Germany. Honestly, this is the best soup you will ever think of, because this is the only thing I can buy when it's fresh and I will cook it by myself. You will love this soup when we are done showing you how we go about preparing this recipe. It's very delicious, it's very yummy. Like when you prepare this meal in your own home, you will thank me later. So I will also want to prepare fried rice because it's a Sunday. So I will show you how you can prepare your own fried rice in your own home. It will not sour, it will not change taste. After some time, you will enjoy finish it. It will not change taste. So stick to the end of this video to see all how we go about preparing this wonderful recipe. I have some of the things I'll be using here and some are not here, but I'll be adding them as we progress in this video. So guys, let us dive into this video. So here are the things I'll be needing for this recipe. As I've said before, some of the things is not here, but most of it is here. This my meat. I've already cooked it very well. I have my stockfish, I have my pepper mixture, onions. So you can see my okra is already chopped. I have my chicken that I'll be using to prepare the fried rice, bell peppers, carrots. So stick to the end of the video and see how I prepare this dish. So in a pot, I added some red oil and I added my onions. I'm going to prepare the okra soup first. So I will fry the onions until it becomes tender. Then I will add in my pepper mixture and fry everything together and allow it to cook for some minutes. So my pepper mixture and the onions has been cooking for some seconds. Now I added my stockfish, I added my dry fish, added some crayfish and my seasoning cubes. I also added hot water and mixed everything together and cover it to start cooking on a high heat. So my condiments has been cooking for some minutes now. I added in my hot pepper, that is Scotch bonnet, added some salt to taste, combined everything together and cover it to continue cooking. So at this point, I came back to check on the pot and I saw that all of them are also cooking very well. I now added my already cooked meat. This is cow intestine and kpomo and also cow tail. So I added all these things together and combined everything together. Give everything a very good mix and also cover it to cook for some minutes. At this point, I added my smoked catfish because it's not too strong. I just added it and give everything a very good mix and cover it to cook for some minutes. Now is the time to check my chicken. I've been cooking it for some minutes now, so I decided to check if it's done or I should allow it to cook for some more. So I noticed that the pot I was using was not gonna be enough to accommodate everything, so I decided to use a different pot that is bigger to prepare the soup. Now I'll add my okro and mix everything together and cover it to steam up for some seconds. So at this point I noticed that it's too thick. I have to add some hot water into it. So at this point I decided to add my vegetable. I'm using frozen spinach. It is optional. You can use any vegetable of your choice or you can actually eat it like that without any vegetable. It's okay. But me, I want to add some vegetable. So I stir everything up together, allow it to cook for like 3 to 4 minutes, and I brought it down. Then it is done. So I'm done preparing the soup. I want to prepare the fried rice now. This is my chicken stock I'm using. I added a little amount of hot water, added some seasoning cubes, paprika powder, added some garlic paste, added my turmeric powder, parsley flakes, added some salt to taste. I gave everything a very good mix, then added my already parboiled rice into the mixture and combine everything together, and I cover it to allow it to start cooking. So in a pan, I added some vegetable oil and allowed it to heat up for some minutes. Added my chopped meat. So in another pan, I added a little amount of butter, a little amount of olive oil, mixed everything together, allow it to get hot. Added in my already chopped onions into the pan and fry it until it becomes tender. At this point, I added in my already chopped carrots and give everything a very good mix. I also added in my green beans and green pea together and I mixed everything all together. I added some seasoning powder to taste and I give everything a very good mix all together. I also added in my bell peppers and I gave everything a very good mix all together. So I covered my vegetables to steam all together. I opened it and turned it and added my already fried chopped meat and I gave everything a very good mix. I added some salt to taste and I gave everything a very good mix all together. At this point, I turned my vegetable into the rice and I gave everything a very good mix. Honestly, you can see it with your eyes that it is looking so delicious. It's so yummy. Like, honestly, you need to try this recipe in your home. Honestly, I'm glad that you watched to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Turn on the bell notification to always notify you when we post any new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.